You are going to love the 2014 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, convertible soft top, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, fog lamps. Come take a test drive today.